Hey guys, Rook Knight here. Thanks for joining me. I was watching Chris Capune and I was watching Mylok open up some old master locks, and I remembered that I have this master lock 44 and it says A-5 on it, and it is a lever lock. I'm assuming this is what would be considered a lever lock, and if you look down at inside here, it actually has two. Hopefully you can see that. So I was thinking how to get it open without having any proper tools, and this is the only key, so I can't make anything out of that. I know sometimes they'll take a key and modify it, but I do have an abundance of paper clips. So I took these two off here and I bent them into shape because I see that there is also a hole on the back. So what I did was I took the first one, put it in the front, turned it until I felt it touch a lever. Whoop. Bear with me. I just figured this out, so I'm not perfect with it yet. Gotta find the lever. The first one anyway. Come on. Okay, that feels about right. And then come in on the back side here for the second one. There we go. We popped it open. So all you need is a pair of pliers and a paper clip. Thanks guys. Catch you on the flip side.